Hey everybody, I'm Debbie Bells with Feel Good Qigong, and this is a video for an energy boost. So Qigong is a energy practice. So this practice I'm going to do is all about moving the energy in our body. It's a great time to do it to start your day, to get your energy going. You could use it as an afternoon boost. You could do it in the evening as to kind of calm yourself down from the day. But think of yourself not just as form, not just your body, but your energy body as well. And that's what we're going to be working with this video, is to get our energy system moving. Qigong means, Qi means energy, Gong means cultivation. So it's cultivating this energy that is all around us. We are energy, life is energy, and energy wants to move and it has to move. So this is what this is about. So in the morning when you start, it's a great time to do this. I'm going to start with feet. Massaging feet first. I like to work from the foot up, and also, from, our circulation. If our circulation isn't that great, it's hard to get circulation to our extremities, like the feet and the hands. So starting at the feet is a great place to start. The other thing I like to do is to get the kidney meridian going, which is the wellspring of your body. That is at the ball mount of your foot, is the kidney meridian. Now, if you don't know about meridians, I have a lot of other videos about them. For now, I just wanted to show you this practice that you can do. And if you're not familiar with Qigong, I always tell people, notice how you feel afterwards, and that's usually an indication that it's working for you. So I'm tapping the ball mat of my foot, getting my kidney Qi, my kidney meridian activated, my kidney organ activated. So you would just kind of get that going. Massaging the foot feels really nice too, especially the toes, really get in between those toes. And then you can take your thumbs, usually work the best. Go right up, take your thumbs, and you're going to press down on the side of the shin bone. There's a lot of meridians here. And also, if you're a walker or a runner, that's a really nice area to palpate anyway, because that usually can get pretty tender. Then when you get to the inside of the knee, you're going to take your elbow and press on the inner thigh. Again, more meridians. And also this helps to get your hips a little bit more open for the day too. Just this little bit of movement gets the hips ready for your day. And then I'll do the other side. I'm going to massage my foot first, maybe in between my toes and the bottom of my foot, the front. The ankle always feels really nice too, around the heel. And then I'll start tapping the ball mount of my foot, which is my kidney meridian, the wellspring of my body. Get that kidney activated, and so my kidneys can really work at a high functional level, the wellspring of your body. And you can go pretty hard on the bottom of your foot. Of course, if it hurts, back up. But you can go pretty hard, slap on pretty hard on the foot without it doing any kind of damage. And then we're going to take our thumbs and work pressing the inside edge of that shin bone. Tends to be a tender area for most of us. I'm a walker, I'm a big walker, so that area gets really tight. Plus we have our spleen meridian is in here, the kidney meridian comes up here, liver meridian. We have a lot of different energy highways in that area. And then I'm going to take my elbow and I'm going to use my elbow point and press on my inner thigh. And this also helps to open up my hips too. So getting two things at the same time feels really nice. Then I'm going to do stomach meridian. Bring your hands to your knee where your ring finger is. There's a divot there. That's where we're going to palpate. So I call these crane beaks. I like them because it's like a point gets right into that kidney meridian. This is stomach meridian 36. And the next part of this, we're going to use what's called purging breath. 70% of our toxins are released through the exhalation of your breath. So inhaling through the nose and slowly blowing it out through your mouth helps to purge toxins out of your system. And why not start your day with purging toxins out of your system, right? So for this next part, we're going to be doing purging breath, and I'll keep reminding you of it. So stomach meridian 36. We're now going to come to lung meridian. Find your clavicle bone, follow to the end point, and we're going to tap our lung meridian. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Inhaling through your nose, exhaling out through your mouth. One more time. Inhaling through your nose, exhaling out through your mouth. And then follow that clavicle bone right to that end point here. Drop down about 2 inches, kidney meridian. Inhaling through your nose, exhaling out through your mouth. Inhaling through your nose, exhaling out through your mouth. One more time. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through your mouth. And then the thymus gland, which is right at the sternum, not a meridian point, but a gland. But I like to add this in because it's part of your boosting your immune system. Inhaling through your nose, exhaling out through your mouth. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through your mouth. One more time. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through your mouth. Now we're going to come to the liver point. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through your mouth. Inhaling through your nose, exhaling out through your mouth. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through your mouth. I like to do 3 of those. Inhaling under the armpit, heart meridian. Inhale through the nose, exhaling out through your mouth. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. One more time. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through your mouth. Other side. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through your mouth. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through your mouth. One more time. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through your mouth. And then we're going to do the forearm, right at the lower part of the forearm, lung and large intestine meridian. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Other side. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. To our gallbladder meridian, the forehead. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth, and then follow the skull to the end of the skull, to the top of the shoulder blade, and come back up. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth, and then the side of your head, gallbladder meridian again. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Inhaling through your nose, exhaling out through the mouth. To the temples, gallbladder meridian still. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through your mouth. Under the eye socket, inhale through the nose, stomach meridian, exhaling out through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. And then the jaw, move your face around. We hold a lot in our jaw. Stomach meridian again, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Make little peace signs and go up and down the ear. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. And then you can pull your ear and then spread it from your ear. Pull it away from your head. And then we're going to hold that little cartilage closed, and we're going to do humming breath. Inhaling. And notice the vibration of energy starting to open up everything in your system. Now we're going to come to standing and continue this energy work. We'll start with, let's warm up our hands. So we'll clap them. We'll slap our fingertips. We're activating our healing hands. And then we can scrub the fingers. So warming up the hands for healing. And then we tap the top of the hand, and we're going to come up the arm, right by the shoulder, and then take it over around the breast area. And then we're going to come down the inside of the arm. So we're, again, waking up these meridians of the body, coming up the arm to the back of the shoulder. We're going to come around the breastbone area, and then down the inside of the arm, clap both hands. And then we tap the chest, and we bring it down the torso to the pubic bone. And continue that purging breath, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. And then we're going to tap the 9 gates. This is for our legs. You tap and slap the groin area. Lots of lymph nodes here. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth, and then hold. And again, feeling that energy vibration twirling inside you. And then we'll do a big circle around our digestive system, getting that warmed up for the day. Continue with inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Slide your hands to your kidneys. Give your kidneys a little bit of a rub here. And then we tap down the backs of the legs, backs of the knees, over the feet, front of the legs, the shins. Then down the side of the legs. And then up the inside of the legs. And then we'll hold again. And we're going to inhale. We're going to raise our energy up. Inhaling up and out for the day. Inhaling up and out for the day. And then one more time. Inhaling up and out for the day. And then we'll come to shaking. We're going to shake our body. Again, getting some circulation going, getting our energy going. And we can continue with inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth, and then stop. And then again, feeling energy twirling around and inside you. Bring your hands to your low back again. We're just going to jump up and down on the heels several times. This again, more circulation. You want to feel a little rattling in the eyes. This helps to wake up our brain again for the day, getting ready for the day. And then stop, and then again, notice the vibration in your body, that energy waking up for the day. And then from here, we'll come into a standing posture. You're going to feel yourself rooting down through the legs. We're going to start with our inner smile. We're going to lift the corners of the mouth up into our inner smile. This helps to drop dopamine, the joy factor. Why not start your day with joy, feeling joyful? And then 2 is Shu. We're bringing heat to our feet. 3 is Tree, visualizing roots from the bottom of our feet into the crust of the earth. And then 4 is Core. We're going below the crust into the Malta lava, where that energy field is, where we're drawing up all this energy into our body, feeling it coming through our body. And then we're going to draw up the earth energy. We're going to gather the energy around us and above us. And then we wipe the slate clean for the day, letting go of any thing we don't want to hold on to for the day. Inhaling, drawing the earth, gather above, taking these energies and clean your system out, wiping the slate clean, getting yourself ready and clear for your day. And then we'll take our body into 4 flexions of the spine. We're going to open up the palms of our hands. And first, just feel the energy vibrating through your system. You are pure energy. And a little bit of a back bend as we exhale. We're going to round the spine, bringing the backs of the hands together. Feel the back body, your back energy opening. Inhaling, opening up the front of your body, the front of your heart, opening up the chest. And then as you exhale, round the spine, feeling that stretch to the backs of the shoulders, the back of your neck. So we're bringing our spine into 4 flexions. This is a back flexion and considered a forward flexion of the body, energetically moving the energy forward and back in our system. Side flexion, opening up the side of your body, side energy of your body. So we are flexing the spine in 4 flexions, forward and back, side to side, energetically removing our energy forward and back and side to side. So remember, we are an energy body as well as a physical body. And then we do our twisting flexion for the spine. Also, another energy movement, moving the spine in a twisting flexion. Getting the spine ready, getting your energy ready and circulated so you can move through your day with a lot of awareness, fluidity, and less stress. Why would you want to start your day with stress? Start it with some ease, some comfortability, and then slowly we'll bring it to a stillness. We'll do one more posture is called spinal dragon. We're going to bring the palms of our hands together, elbows out to the side, and we make a figure 8. So energetically, we're moving our energy into a figure 8. It's a spiraling, it's a coiling. So energetically, we moved our body forward and back, side to side, a twist, a spiral, a figure 8. Opened up all of our meridians, our energy system, getting ready to go out in the day with a lot of clarity and comfortability, and then back to center. We're going to bring this all together. We're going to do a crossover one more time. Take one shoulder, just cross it over your body. This helps with your brain, helps to get your brain activated, crossing from one side to the other. And now we're going to take our left foot over our right ankle, backs of the hands touch, cross over your wrist, interlace, bring them in. Inhaling 3 times here, exhale out through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. One more time, inhaling through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. Unwind the fingers, cross over the other wrist, bring it in, and then switch ankles. So major crossover here, bringing all your meridians together. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. One more time, inhaling through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. Now we'll bring one hand to the back of your head and one to the forehead. Soften the knees and slowly, deeply take a few breaths in and out as we quiet down our nervous system. Quiet down that nervous system for the day so you can have more dynamic relaxation rather than starting your day with stress or strain. Take a few deep, slow breaths. Soothe your nervous system, soothe your soul. You can even sigh if you like. And then we'll release. We'll come back to standing like a mountain. Take in the energy that you've just circulated, moved. You are an energy body. Set an intention for your day. Start your day off right. I invite into my day and see what comes up for you. Maybe you'll invite into your day comfortability or freedom or peace or ease, joy, happiness. I invite into my day, fill in the blank. And then we'll bring the hands together as we create this union of our body, our mind, and our energy. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a really great feel-good day. Namaste. See you soon, hopefully.